You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter.
By the time I got to the hospital, my baby was already gone. He didn't even have a chance.
It's been almost a year now since she lost her son Devontae, but for her, the memories are still painfully fresh.
And I cried and I had to realize my baby is really, really gone. He's not coming back.
Devontae is one of the millions of Americans who have lost their lives to gun violence. Many of them have one thing in common: they are black. Black Americans make up more than half of gun-related killings in America. That's 10 times the number of white Americans. According to Gun Violence Archive, there have been over 5,000 gun deaths this year alone. Patricia wants to change that. She formed the group Rise Up for Peace that organizes peaceful marches around Tampa. The goal is to seek justice for victims of gun violence.
Not only just for my son, but for other ones too. And not only just for my child. I'm doing it for other parents too. If we could just get one, I feel like I would succeeded.
Americans make up less than 5% of the global population, but own nearly half of the guns around the world. Because guns are so poorly controlled, people can easily get access to them. According to the CDC, states that strongly regulate guns have lesser deaths than states that don't. Patricia says the group's biggest goal is to get guns out of the hands of their kids. For Florida Focus, I am Emmanuel Madunimi.